is not a test. This is a global emergency. Please stand by. Is transmitted at the request of United States government and Federal Emergency Management Agency at 2:40 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is a not test. I repeat, this is a not test. I will say again last time, this is not a test. Our world is coming to end. COVID-21 is fully infected such as mainland China, Russian Federation, Japan, United Kingdom, South Africa, Australia, Mexico, Brazil, Chile, and Czech Republic. All healthy residents of United States are extremely strongly advised to seek shelter in place immediately. Gather enough non-perishable food, water, flashlights with extra batteries, fully charged cell phones, chargers, clothing towels, and battery-powered or hand-crank radio with extra batteries. The President will speaking in shortly. This is an emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations are providing news information on public stations. This is WBMG-TV. Will continue to serve in Binghamton area. If you be not in this area,
straight in the trash. No more days. Okay, no Christmas. Fine, no Christmas. No more days. Shut. Oh, come fuck you up. No, sorry, idiot. No, miss. I'll kick you and you. Die. Yeah. Yo, sorry for that, idiot. Thanks. Shut. I'll kick your ass, idiot. No more presents. No more Christmas. Christmas hasn't died. Christmas will die.